Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Johnny working at UCSF Medical San Francisco. Currently, many patients from adolescence to adulthood suffer from bone and joint problems. This is extremely worrisome. Please allow me to educate you on some of the most important aspects of these problems. Osteoarthritis is a degenerative disease. It is a condition where one or more parts in the joint areas degenerate, from which there will arise different forms of osteoarthritis, such as arthritis, disc herniation, and spondylolisthesis. Osteoarthritis is divided into two types. Local degeneration is a condition in a specific part or area of the musculoskeletal system. The cause is usually due to living habits, the nature of working, or external influences. For example, students and office workers or those who carry heavy loads often have neck and shoulder pain, back pain, or hunched back due to sitting in the wrong posture or having to use the spinal load, which can lead to vertebral degeneration. People who regularly practice martial arts, play sports, or suffer from degeneration are prone to injury in the joints due to using some joints area more than usual. Most of the cases of osteoarthritis in young people are caused by degeneration. Total degenerative condition is, as you may have guessed, the degeneration of the entire musculoskeletal system. The main cause is usually aging or genetic. When the musculoskeletal system in the body is degenerated over time, it can cause osteoporosis, complete spondylolisthesis, and impair motor function. Complete degeneration often occurs in the elderly or those with nutritional deficiencies, premature aging, or people with hereditary bone diseases. For osteoarthritis, if the patient is not treated promptly and correctly, the disease will worsen. Over time, it will cause difficulty in the movement, loss of work capacity, and even complete paralysis. Osteoarthritis is an extremely complex disease that is difficult to treat thoroughly. Currently, to treat bone and joint problems, usually there are several main measures. The first method is Western medicine, using drugs that often analgesics and anti-inflammatories ingredients. This method has the advantage of quickly reducing symptoms of the disease. However, the disadvantage of this method is that it does not address the root of the disease, which is a degenerative problem, so the patients will be prone to relapse, making the disease difficult to completely eradicate. Additionally, if the patient abuses medication without following the doctor's instructions, it can greatly affect the heart, liver, and kidneys, leading to liver and kidney failure. Medicine can make the disease more difficult to treat. The second method is surgical intervention. This method is usually applied only in extreme situations with specific diseases or when the patient no longer responds to other treatments. And for this method, the advantage is that it is fast and effective, but the disadvantage is that it has many side effects and a very high risk of complications. Currently, the success rate of orthopedic surgeries is only about 50%, which can cause complete paralysis if the surgery fails. The third method is physical therapy methods, such as acupuncture or acupressure combined with herbs. This method has the advantage of being safe and benign, but has low effectiveness and long treatment time. In addition, the root cause of osteoarthritis is still not resolved, so the effectiveness of the method is not really satisfactory. The last method, which is also the most appreciated method today, is comprehensive combination nutrition therapy. This is combining conventional treatment measures with intensive nutritional therapy for colostrum and for patients. This method will have a comprehensive effect, both solving the symptoms of the disease and solving the root cause of the disease, which is a degenerative problem. The main cause of osteoarthritis is degenerative, so it is not enough to treat it with drugs alone. When the body degrades, it needs to be intensively nourished to make up for what is being lost. The combination of treatment with intensive nutritional products and reasonable diet will help nourish the degenerative bone and joint system, rejuvenate the muscles and joints, and have aged over time, increase bile production, improve bone strength, and stimulate the regeneration of joint cartilage in the body. This is the method that is currently being hailed as the most effective treatment for bone and joint problems and is being applied in major hospitals around the world. Currently, intensive nutrition product that is being trusted by the doctors is Grand Sure Gold Colostrum. Our products are highly appreciated for their quality and effectiveness in supporting bone and joint treatment for patients. This product is also recognized by many leading experts in nutrition, bone and joints, and trusted by many patients. Grand Sure Gold is a specialized colostrum product for bones and joints, which has the effect of supporting intensive bone and joint nutrition, supplementing calcium, increasing bone density, helping to strengthen bones, restore and regenerate, helping to effectively treat bone and joint diseases such as spondylolisthesis, disc herniation, double vertebrae, sciatica, and osteoporosis. Grand Sure Gold is currently the world's leading American bone and joint colostrum product with an extract combining pure colostrum and Norwegian shark fin cartilage cells, produced on modern technological lines from America. Therefore, Grand Sure Gold Colostrum has outstanding quality and extremely intensive nourishing effect for osteoarthritis patients. Firstly, Grand Sure Gold Colostrum has pure colostrum ingredients from the US, the country with the best colostrum source in the world, and is prepared using leading modern technology, ensuring 100% quality. Colostrum is also known as the first food of life, the special milk that appears at the end of pregnancy and is secreted through the mammary glands within 72 hours of giving birth. Because it is the first milk of life, the first source of energy, colostrum has a very strong ability to nourish and regenerate cells. Normally, when it comes to the concept of colostrum, people think it is only for the baby, but it is suitable for all stages of life. Colostrum contains resistant substances which are very good for the elderly and especially patients with bone and joint problems. Colostrum contains special nutrients that are able to stimulate the maximum activity of osteoblasts, regenerate new skeletal muscles, and restore degraded musculoskeletal areas, and nourish the musculoskeletal areas system. The second main ingredient is Norwegian shark fin cartilage, the panacea in the treatment of bone and joint diseases, the master of joints in the bowl of pearl. According to extensive research, shark fin contains chondroitin, which inhibits enzymes that destroy cartilage in the joints and stimulate the synthesis and regeneration of new cartilage. In addition, Grand Sure Gold is the first product to successfully apply phytosan technology to the complex extract of colostrum and shark fin chondrocytes, to increase the bioavailability of the precious complex many times over. The use of nutritional therapy from colostrum is extremely safe and benign for patients. Even the elderly or people with underlying medical conditions, patients can use it to support long-term treatment of bones and joints, enhance nutrition, and improve health. Grand Sure Gold is currently the best colostrum nutrition therapy in the world, suitable for all conditions of osteoarthritis, rheumatoid, degeneration, osteoporosis, acute or chronic herniated disc, or people who have suffered cartilage injuries due to accidents or heavy movements, with symptoms such as knee pain, difficulty walking, stiff knees, numb knees, fatigue, shoulder or neck pain. Use Grand Sure Gold Joint Colostrum product to first feel the pain relief quickly without affecting the stomach or the blood pressure. Then see softer joints and more flexible movement. Long term will improve mobility and strengthen cartilage. Joints gradually recover, and you'll feel the effects even when not using the product anymore. And finally, I also recommend that people with osteoarthritis need to understand the root cause of the disease, avoiding the cases of minor treatment. You must understand what your disease needs and lacks. And when using Grand Sure Gold Bone and Joint Colostrum products, it is necessary to be persistent, use correctly, and above all, to adhere to a healthy lifestyle regimen for long-term health, because Grand Sure Gold is a treatment, the most effective, best being trusted by many users around the world.